Hi, here's one image size optimization tip that I use before uploading any of my images on a website. Here we have one 1 megabyte image, 2 megabytes image, and 400 kilobytes image. I always use this tool, Imagecompressor.com. You can drag and drop your images, download one by one, or bulk download your images. No watermarks, it's free, it works like a charm. So, we are getting 33%, 45%, and 20% optimization. Let's check the sizes now. .676 kilobytes, 1 megabyte, and 300 kilobytes. Now your images are ready to be uploaded to your website.